The biceps play a crucial role in calisthenics, acting both as a driver of movement in some exercises and a stabilizer of movement in others. And the bodyweight bicep curl is a fantastic way to work the biceps with body weight in a way that has clear and transferable benefits to calisthenics skills and exercises. Today we're going to go through how to do bodyweight bicep curls, including progressions, form cues, and common mistakes. Let's get into it. How you doing, Cali Crowd? Welcome back to the channel that makes calisthenics simple. Aside from being great for aesthetics, having bigger biceps is also beneficial for prehabilitation. The elbows and the shoulders are amongst the most injury-prone areas for calisthenics athletes, so ensuring that the connective tissue at these joints and the biceps are really well conditioned and robust is the best way to prevent training complications. But whatever your reasons for wanting to grow your biceps, the bodyweight bicep curl hits the mark and will get the job done. But how do we do it? Well, ideally we want to do them on gymnastics rings, giving you more freedom to move comfortably as you progress, but the setup is very simple. Set up your rings so that you can lean back at about 45-degree angle from the floor, holding the rings with a supinated grip. Depress and protract the scapula and keep them in this position throughout the full range of the movement. Avoid allowing the shoulders to rise or internally rotate at the top of the bodyweight bicep curl, and be sure to maintain head to toe tension. Do not allow the hips to sag as we rep this out. In the traditional bicep curl, we want to keep our upper arms by our side, elbows fixed in place, and curl the weight upwards. But in the bodyweight bicep curl, however, we still want to keep our elbows fixed, but now we are the resistance. And so we need to lean back to make sure that we're hitting our biceps throughout the range of the movement. It's in this lean that makes the bodyweight bicep curl sympathetic to calisthenic skills, as we end up training the bicep in the context of the shoulder and elbow position we look to get them into for various calisthenic skills and exercises. Aside from elbow flexion, the role of the bicep is also to supinate the forearm. So, at the top of the bodyweight bicep curl, be sure to turn your palms out for a deeper contraction. Regressing the bodyweight bicep curl is quite straightforward. We can bend at the knees, thereby shortening the lever arm and reducing the resistance placed on the bicep, or we can decrease the angle of our lean, though if you do this, be very intentional, as we still want to make sure that we feel tension at the top of the movement. Bodyweight bicep curl progressions are equally intuitive in that we can increase the amount of resistance, for example with a weighted vest, or we can increase the amount that we lean. If the back or front lever is a goal for you, you may find that trying to get as horizontal as possible with the bodyweight bicep curl can be a fantastic checkpoint goal on the way to achieving these skills. Crowd, use the bodyweight bicep curl to grow your biceps and condition them. But if you're looking to grow your chest and triceps, you can check out this video for a tutorial on the bodyweight bicep curl's sister movement, the dip.